We could see titanium frames and bigger screens introduced to different Samsung Galaxy S24 models when they arrive early next year, says the leaker S24. First off, the Galaxy S24 Ultra model could use titanium for its side rails, as EU eventually explained after initially just posting an image of the periodic table. Titanium is an excellent material for premium smartphones, at least in theory, because of its high strength and lightweight. Apple seems to agree, as we're apparently seeing the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max get titanium frames themselves later this year. The downside, however, is that titanium is expensive, with a corresponding price hike rumored to be coming to the iPhone 15 Pro line. Also, while it's lighter than the stainless steel we see on Pro iPhones, it's still heavier than aluminum, a commonly used material for phone frames. Samsung's been making a big deal of its light but tough armor aluminum smartphone bodies for several years now. So the introduction of titanium could mean the Galaxy S24 Ultra ends up noticeably heavier than the current aluminum-clad Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's not all that S24 had to tell us. He's also alleging the Galaxy S24 Plus could have a larger display, moving from the Galaxy S23 Plus 6.6-inch panel to a 6.65-inch one instead. The larger display could mean a larger body for the S24 Plus, which could in turn mean a larger battery or at least extra space for other features Samsung may want to add. Currently, the S23 Plus differs in display size, battery size, minimum storage capacity, and charging speed to the basic Galaxy S23, so having some more features, perhaps borrowed from the Ultra models, could help differentiate the mid-sized Galaxy S phone more from its little sibling. We've not heard too much about other upgrades for the Galaxy S24 series yet. From what the rumor mill has told us so far, though, we should look out for faster charging, the same selfie camera, at least in terms of the sensor, and possibly the reintroduction of Snapdragon and Exynos versions depending on where in the world you buy the phones. Samsung's likely to launch the Galaxy S24 series next February if it sticks to its usual timings. That gives us plenty of time to hear more rumors pre-launch, including if other sources back up these claims of Samsung using a new material for the Ultra and a larger display for the Plus. Now, I have a question for you. What do you think of the possible use of titanium for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Do you think it's worth the extra cost and weight, or do you prefer the aluminum body of the Galaxy S23 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Hope you like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in next one.